Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on applestudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 maths. Click on view all lessons. There, you can find the list of the chapters. So, here is the list of the lessons we are going to cover today. We are working on the chapter number 30. The lesson name is Divisibility Rules Word Problems. Then the final test of the chapter. Then we'll start a new chapter multiplication. The lesson name is Multiply by one digit number. Multiply by one digit numbers word problems. So let's just start with the first topic, that is divisibility rules word problems. Let me write down the lesson name. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important definitions and examples as well. Got it? Okay, here I am on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is number 30, and the lesson we're going to start with is divisibility rules word problems. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's start with first example. Let me read the question, just listen to me carefully. A warehouse holds 2,478 shoe boxes. Each aisle holds the same number of boxes. How many aisles could there be? So basically, you have to look for the number that completely divides 2478, but you're not we're not going to divide them using long division method. We're just going to apply the divisibility rules and we check which number divides 2478. Got it? So the options given are 10, 9, 2 and 5. The number is 2478. The options are 10, 9, 2 and 5. So you have to apply the divisibility rules for all the four numbers, and we are going to see which number completely divides 2478. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the first number, the 10. The divisibility rule for 10 is the divisibility rule for 10 is the ones digit of the number or the rightmost digit of the number is either 0 or either is 0. Rightmost digit of the number must be 0. Got it? So here the rightmost digit is not 0. Got it? That means 2478 is not divisible by 10. Got it? Okay, now let's check for the 5. The divisibility rule for 5 is the rightmost digit is either 0 or 5. Rightmost digit is either 0 or 5. So the rightmost digit is neither 0 nor 5. Got it? That means 2478 is not divisible by 5. Got it? Now let's check for 9 and 2. So now you have to look for the divisibility rule for 9. So the divisibility rule for 9 is the sum of the numbers must be divisible by Yes, the sum of digits in a number must be divisible by sum of digits in a number must be divisible by 9. Got it? Just add all the numbers divisible by 9. The digit is 2478. Just add up all the digits 2, 4, 7, and 8. Got it? Just add up all the numbers 7 and 4, 11, and 8, 19, and 2, 21. Do we have 21 in the table of 9? No. That means the number is not divisible by 78. Got it? Now we have the last one. The last option is 2. So just look for the divisibility rule for 2. So the divisibility rule for 2 is the rightmost digit is either the rightmost digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. That means the number is divisible by 2. So that we have the digit 2, 4, 7, 8. So the rightmost digit is 8. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Got it? So the number 2470 is divisible by 2. That means you can, that means, let me just read the question. That means each aisle hold the same number of boxes. So there are just two aisles. Got it? Because you can just divide 2478 by 2. So you have just two aisles. Got it? Okay. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, Molly is arranging the photographs for her high school yearbook. She needs to put the same number of photographs in each row with no photographs left over. If Molly has 663 photographs to arrange, how many photographs could she put in each row? So the number is 663. The options are 9, 3, 5, and 2. 663. The number is just, you don't have the 10. The rest of the digits are 2 and 5 is same, and 9 is, I think, just one of the number is different. That is 3. So let me just look for 66, 63, 9, 3, 5, 2. Yes. 663, 9, 3, 5, and 2. These are the options actually. Got it? Let's just start with the first one. If it is divisible by 5, got it? So the divisibility rule for 5 is the rightmost digit is either 0 or 5. So the rightmost digit is neither 0 nor 5. That means the number is not divisible by 5. Got it? So just remove the option 5. 5 is not the correct option. Got it? 663, the options are 9, 5. So 5 is not the option. Okay. Now just look for the 9. So add up all the digits. The divisibility rule for 9 is you have to add up all the digits and you have to see if the sum is divisible by 9. So just add up all the numbers 6 and 6, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Do we have 15 in the table of 9? Yes, it is math grade 5. So 15 is not divisible by 9. So the number is not divisible by 9. 9 is also removed. Okay, now just look for the rule for 2. So the divisibility rule for 2 is you have to look for the rightmost digit. If it is either 0, 4, 2, and 8, that means the number is divisible by 2. So the rightmost digit is 3. Got it? That means the number is not divisible by 2. Got it? Okay, you're left with just one option, that is 3. So the rule for 3 is if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, that means the number is divisible by 3. If the sum of digits is by 3, Number is divisible by 3. Okay, so the correct option in this case is 3. So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, a soda company makes different flavors of soda. Last year, the company produced the same number of bottles each flavor. If the company produced 6,228 bottles uh, of soda in the last year, how many different flavors could the company make? Got it? So the number is 6,228, and the options are 3, 5, and 10. So just look at the um, uh, divisibility rule for 3. The divisibility rule for 3 is if the sum of the number is divisible by 3. Got it? So you have the numbers 6228. Just add them and see if they are divisible by 3. I think yes, it is divisible by 3. 6228, because the number is not divisible by 5 or 10 either. The other options are 5 and 10. 8 and 2, 10, 16 and 2, yes, 18 is divisible by 3. So that means the number is divisible by 3. So the correct option for this number is 3. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just start with the final test of the chapter. So here we are on the final test of the chapter. So the first question is, what is the prime factorization of 9? You have to find the prime factorization of 9. So the prime factorization means you have to write all the factors. You have to write all the prime factors of the number. Got it? So how do we find the prime factorization? We have to divide the number by the smallest prime number again and again until we get the answer 1. Got it? You have to write the prime factorization of 9. So the smallest prime number that can divide 9 is 3. Got it? And 9 divided by 3 equals 3. You have to divide this number again by the prime number until you get the answer 1. Got it? So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 3 is the prime number. So you divided 9 twice by the 3. So it would be equal 3 times 3, or either you can write it as 3 square. Got it? So that would be 3 square. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The prime factorization of 9 is 3 square. So what we have to do for the prime factorization, we have to divide the given number by the prime number again and again by the smallest prime number until we get the answer 1. Got it? So we divided 9 twice by the 3 until we get 1. So it would be 3 times 3, or either 3 square. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the least common multiple of? What is the least common multiple of 4 and 2? You have to write the least common multiple. Got it? The least common multiple is, you have to write the least common multiple of 4 and 2. So write the multiples of 4 and 2. Got it? Multiple means the numbers, multiples of 4 and 2. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 6, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 3 is 4 is 16 and 4 times 5. These are the multiples. Got it? 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. So the smallest number that is common between both the numbers is 4. Got it? So that means the LCM of the number is 4. Got it? So the smallest, the least common multiple of 4 and 2 is 4. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, is 5 a prime number or a composite number? Which number is it? Is it prime or composite? No one is answering. Why? Is there any problem? Please write a question in the chat box if you have any. Is 5 a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the very good OK button. Okay, what is the prime factorization of 9? Which is the correct option? We just did this question on the board. It would be 3 times 3 or either 3 square. Got it? 3 times 3 makes 9. So you can write it as 3 square. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, there are 56 graders in India dance school. There are the same number of students in each sixth grade class. How many sixth grade classes could there be in dance school? So the total students are 50, and each class have the same number of students. Got it? So basically you have to look which number can divide the number 50. Got it? So which is the correct option? 3, 4, 9, or 10? You have to just apply the divisibility rules and you have to check which number completely divides 50. Got it? So which number is it? Just apply the divisibility rules for 3, 4, 10, and 9. So the divisibility rule for 3 is you have to add up the digits and you have to see if the sum is divisible by 3. So no, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 is not divisible by 3. Yes, very good. It would be 10. Also, and the divisibility rule for 10 is either the rightmost digit is 0. The rightmost digit must be 0. So yes, we have the rightmost digit for the 50 is 0. So that means 50 is completely divided by 10. So 10 is the correct option for this question. Okay, is 6666 divisible by 10? Sorry, by 3? Yes or no? Be quick. Is 6663 is 6600 sorry 666 divisible by 3? You have to look if this number is divisible by 3. Yes or no? Yes, very good. It is divisible by 3. How? Just add up all the digits. Their sum must be 18 and 18 is divisible by 3. Got it? That means the number is divisible by 3. Very good. The correct option is yes. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. A gum factory made 3,216 sticks of gum. After arranging the sticks into the packs, the factory did not have any extra sticks of gum. How many sticks of gum could the factory be putting in each pack? Okay, so in each pack, they have the same number of gums. Got it? Basically, you have to look which number completely divides the digit 3,216. So, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 5, 9, 6, and 10, 3,216. The options are 5, 2, 6, and sorry, 5, 9, 6, and 10. So let's start with the first option, that is 5. So the number is not divisible 5 by 5. Got it? Because the rightmost digit must be 5 or 0. Got it? So it is not divisible by 5. For the 10, the rightmost digit must be 0. So the rightmost digit is not 0. So 10 is not the correct option. Got it? Now just look for the 10. For the 9, you have to add up all the digits and you need to see if the sum is divisible by 9, 6 and 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, 12 is not divisible by 9. Got it? That means the number is not divisible by 9. Got it? So then it is divisible by 6. The divisibility rule for 6 is the number must be divisible by 2 and the number must be divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2 because the rightmost digit is 6 and 6 is divisible by 2. Got it? And for the 3 you have to sum up all the numbers, so it makes 12 and 12 is divisible by 3. So yes, 6 is the correct option. The divisibility rule for 6 is the number must be divisible by 2 and 3 as well. Got it? The correct option is 3002. It is 6, so just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? Okay, 1920 divisible by 4, yes or no? Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is divisible by 4. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, is 80,112 divisible by 4? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is divisible by 4. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. By next topic mean I will have going to start with a new chapter because we have done with the chapter number 3. So the next lesson we are going to start with is mm, multiplication. Got it? We're going to start a new chapter that is multiplication. So let's just start with a new lesson. And the lesson is multiply by one digit numbers. Let me just write down the lesson name. The lesson name is multiply by one digit numbers. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, so let's start with the test questions. Okay, is 688 multiplied by 9? So we always start multiplying the number by the ones digit. So here is the ones digit you have to start multiplying from this one. Got it? You have to be perfect with the tables, the number of times, the timetable when you're working on the multiplication. Got it? So if you are not perfect with the multiplication tables, please make sure you are perfect before starting the lesson multiplication. Got it? 9 times 8 is 72. So you have to write the the ones digit over here and you have to carry the tens digit. Got it? Okay, now you have to do again 9 times 8. Now you do 9 times 8 is again 72. You have to add up the carry. So 72 plus 7 is 79. Write the rightmost digit over here and carry the tens. Got it? Then 9 times 6 is 54 and you have to add 7. So 54 plus 7 is 61. You don't have the other digit. Write 61 as it is. So it would be 6192. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 401 times 2. So let's start with 401 times 2. Yes, very good. You did it right. So 401 times 2. So do start with the ones digit. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0 and 2 times 4 is 8. So it would be 802. Got it? So the correct option is 802. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is you have to do 214 times 2. So let's start with 214 times 2. So it would be 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So it is 428. Got it? So the correct option is 428. So just select the correct option. Very good. And then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 942 times 6. 900 942 times 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. Write 2 over here and carry 1. 6 times 4 is 24 and 125. 5 here and 2 carry. 6 times 9 is 54. 55, 56. I am perfect with the tables. That's why I am doing multiplication smoothly. So if you want to be perfect with the multiplication, you have to be perfect with the tables. I think you're not allowed to use calculator in grade 5. So you must be perfect with the tables. Got it? They are very easy to learn. Just do one table a day, write it twice or thrice, and then keep repeating each line just 5 to 10 times, and you'll get the. And this way you will memorize the tables. Is it? Yes, it is 5652. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, for the next one, you have to do 201 times 2. So which is the correct option? Which one is the correct one? It is 402. Got it? The correct option is 402. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is 283 times 3. So let's just do 283 times 3. So you have to do 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Then you have to do 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Write 4 and carry 2. 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 and 2. 8. Very good. So it would be 849. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The next one is 495 times 5. 495 times 5. So you have to do 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 and 2 carry. 5 times 9 is 45 and 2 47. 7 and 4 carry. 5 times 4 is 20 and 4 24. So it would be 2475. So some of the students are the very regular students to the live sessions. So can you guys do me a favor, please? You just have to write a review for the live sessions on our Facebook page. Go find a Facebook page that is named A plus students. Just write the reviews, write your reviews, use just 2 to 3 sentences about the live sessions on our Facebook page. Go to the review section, write a review, a small review. It would be for the live sessions, because your reviews are very important for me and for the live sessions as well. Got it? So if you have time, please go to this Facebook, find the name, Facebook page name A plus students, and just write a review about the live sessions. Got it? Because I think you are here on the daily basis. That means you find these sessions helpful for you, isn't it? It is 862. Got it. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So your review is very helpful for the me and for my performance and for the live sessions as well. Got it. Okay, the next one is you have to do 301 times 2. So the correct option is 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 3 is 6. So it is 602. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is multiply one digit numbers, word problems. Multiply one digit numbers, word problems. Okay, let's just start with that. So you are given with the word problems. You just have to understand the question and you have to do the one digit multiplication. Got it? Okay, the first one is a game show has 5 categories. There are 359 points in each category. How many points are there in total on the game show? So the total games are 5, and in each category, 359 points. You have to calculate the total points in the 5 games. Got it? So you have to do 359 times 5. Got it? So the 359 times 5 is the question is already solved. You don't need to solve the question. So it would be 1795. Got it? Let's just start with the test. Okay. A carpet store has 9 commercials every hour on a local television station. How many commercials will the store have in 957 hours? So you have to do 957 times 9. Got it? So let's just start with 957 times 9. So 9 times 7 is 9 times 7 is 63. Write 3 over here and carry 6. 9 times 5 is 45. And 45 plus 6 is 51. Write 1 over here and carry 5. 9 times 9 is 81. And 81 plus 5 is very good. 81 plus 5 is 86. So it would be 8616. Got it? The correct option is 8613. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a parking garage has 9 levels. There are 221 parking spots on each level. How many parking spots are there in all? So you have to do 221 times 9. Got it? So 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 8 and 1 carry. 9 times 2 is 18 and 1, 19. So it would be 1989, isn't it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? Okay, as part of their charitable giving, four food companies sponsored a local food bank. Each company donated 357 cans of food. How many cans of food in total did company donate? So you have to do 357 times 4. Got it? Just do 357 times 4. It is 4 times 7 is 28. 8 and 2 carry. 4 times 5 is 20 and 2 22. 2 and 2 carry. 4 times 3 is 12 and 2 14. So it is 1428. Got it? The answer for the last one is 1989. Got it? And the one we are doing right now is 1428. Very good. The correct option is 1428. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Nina worked as a newspaper writer for 4 days last year. She wrote an average of 195 words each day. How many words did Nina write for the newspaper in total? So you have to do 195 times 4. Okay, 4 times 5 is 20. 0 here and carry 2. 4 times 9 is 36 and 2 38. 8 and 3 carry. 4 times 1 is 4 and add the carry, so it would be 780. Got it? Very good. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So 780 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. A city has 4 parking spots on each block. How many parking spots are there on 961 blocks? So you have to do 961 times 4. Got it? 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Write a 6 here and carry 3. 4 times 9 is, sorry, 4 times 6 is 24. Write a 4 and carry 2. 4 times 9 is 36 and 2 38. So it would be 3844. Got it? Very good, Zuhair. It is 3844. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it, everyone? A parking garage has 2 levels. There are 142 parking spots on each level. How many parking spots are there in all? You have to do 142 times 2. Got it? So it will be 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 1 is 2. So it will be 284. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. A game show has 5 categories. There are 359 points in each category. How many points are there in total on the game show? You have to do 359 times 5. Got it? So just do 359 times 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Write 5 here and carry 4. 5 times 5 is 25 and 4 29. Write 9 here and carry 2. 5 times 3 is 15 and 15 plus 2 is 17. Got it? So it would be 1795. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is an applesauce ordered 3 shipments of apples. Applesauce company ordered 3 shipments of apples. There are 318 apples in each shipment. How many apples did the company order in all? Yeah, so you have to do 318 times 3. Got it? 318 times 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Write 4 and carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3 and 4 5. 3 times 3 is 9. It would be 954. Got it? Very good. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, a mint factory puts 7 mints in each box. How many mints will the factory need to fill 812 boxes? So you need to do 812 times 7. Got it? So 7 times 2 is 14. Write 4 and carry 1. 7 times 1 is 7 and 8. 7 times 8 is 56. So it would be 5640 84. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We've started with the chapter number 3. The lessons we did from the chapter is divisibility, rules, word problems. Then we did the final test of the chapter. Then we have started the new chapter, that is multiplication. And the lessons we did from the chapter multiplication is multiply by a one digit number. And the one we completed right now is just now is multiply by one digit numbers, word problems. So if you have a question, please write the question in the chat box. Your participation is highly appreciated. You guys are doing very well. But still, if you have any problems, just write a question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. I am waiting for the questions from your side. So write a question in the chat box. Please write a question in the chat box. No questions? Okay, then you have to do me a favor. I'm going to repeat again. You have to just find the Facebook page, our Facebook page. So the name of our Facebook page is A plus Students. Please write a review for the live sessions I am doing. The your reviews are very important for my performance and for the live sessions as well. So if you have, please write a positive review. That would be very helpful for me. Got it? So that's all for today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you guys in the next session. Please click on the like button right below the video if you find the session helpful for you. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.